Jason and Amanda have done okay for themselves financially. However, they have always wanted to invest in real estate, but didn't have enough money or resources to do so. They would really like to get into flipping homes, but they're afraid of what they don't know. They have invested with friends before in real estate, but things didn't really work out the way they hoped. Then a friend of theirs told them about Belwood Investments. He said, "Belwood Investments gives the opportunity to everyday people like us, who may have thought they couldn't invest in real estate. We started investing with them last year, and now we are on the fast track to putting real money in our pockets and a retirement for our future." Belwood Investments is the fastest growing fix and flip company in Northern California. Whether that be flipping houses or other forms of investing in real estate, Belwood Investments creates partnerships with those who would not be able to afford flipping or investing on their own. So how does it work? Belwood Investments accepts your investment and places you on the title to a home or as a secure deed of trust. This allows you to be a part of any decision-making process. They leverage those funds with private, secure hedge funds, then facilitate the renovations and manage investor funds. They also split all net profit on the flip with you. Currently, the average return on investment with their investors is over 30%. For example, you, the investor, are paired with a property Belwood Investments has recently purchased. You invest $10,000, which is typically only 10 to 50% of the total rehab cost, and Belwood Investments invests in the remaining portion of the rehab costs. Belwood Investments then manages the project, provides the crews and all materials, gets the home prepped and ready to be sold, and manages the entire sale of the property. After the property is sold and all transaction fees are paid, you split the net profits with Belwood Investments. On average, you would receive approximately a 37% ROI. So in this case, you would receive $13,700 from only your original $10,000 investment. And the best part is that the average turnaround time is only 90 days, and Belwood does all the hard work. Belwood Investments wants to partner with you to invest in something that is tangible. The resources and connections they have allow them to flip a home almost 70% quicker than the competition. This process allows you to make more money and faster. Jason and Amanda decided to partner with Belwood Investments. And what were the results? They just flipped their first property with Belwood Investments and are already starting on their second one. Jason and Amanda are starting to enjoy the financial freedom they have only dreamed of, and they're a part of something that is tangible and truly attainable.